Hi, Mrs. Young here, and today I'm going to talk about matter and some of the properties of matter. So what is matter exactly? Well, matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. So let's look at some examples. So tree, is it matter or is it not matter? Tree is in fact matter. Insect, matter. What about a rainbow? Rainbow is not matter. Flame, so a flame on a campfire or a candle, not matter. Sand, matter. Sunlight, not matter. Bacteria, matter. Sound, not matter. Air, matter. Any type of energy such as sunlight or sound, microwaves, heat, anything like that, or an abstract concept, so think love or happiness, is not matter. Some of the properties of matter. So properties of matter can be either chemical or physical. So starting with the physical properties. A physical property of matter is something that can be observed without changing a substance into another substance. So you're thinking your five senses, what you can see, hear, feel, touch, smell, or measure even. So some examples might be texture or color, density, hardness, melting point, boiling point. What state is the matter in? Is it a liquid? Is it a solid? Is it a gas? Think about if you have an ice cube, if you melt it, if you add heat to it and you melt it, you have something that looks different, liquid water, but it's still water. It's still the same. It hasn't changed into something else. So those are all types or examples of physical properties. Then you have chemical properties. So this is a substance ability to change into a different substance. So examples are flammability and its ability to react. Think about if you have baking soda and you mix it with vinegar, you get this reaction that produces carbon dioxide. Or if you have a piece of metal, it reacts with the oxygen in the air and it gets rust, a new different substance. So kind of a rule of thumb you can think of for chemical properties is if you can't get the original materials back. So if you do mix your vinegar and your baking soda, once that reaction has happened, you really can't get just your vinegar back or just your baking soda back to the way they were. So that's a little bit about matter and its properties, and I hope that was helpful.